Looking for a really fast and easy meal that even the kids will love? If you're ready to make meal times easier, you can't go past these delicious, juicy Chinese dumplings from Sunshine Foods. Made using a traditional family recipe, these dumplings are available in a range of different flavours to suit every palate, including the tastiest pork and cabbage, beef and onion, chicken and veggie, or the most popular one, pork, chive and prawn. And there's even a vegetarian option as well. Sunshine Foods pride themselves on producing their top-selling juicy Chinese dumplings using locally sourced ingredients. And their dumplings are free from artificial colours or preservatives. Designed to be taken straight from the freezer to the pan, in just minutes you too can have a tasty and wholesome meal with no defrosting required. It couldn't get any easier. And with 27 to 28 in each pack, there's enough for the whole family. So look for them in the freezer of your local supermarket or ask for juicy Chinese dumplings in store. You'll love them.